Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to knit this beautiful, very cute, very charming and very easy knitting stitch pattern. This pattern you can use in ladies sweater, gents sweater, ladies cardigan, baby sweater, for shawl, for tops, for hats, all knitting items you like. Look the beauty of this pattern. It is very elegant pattern, very stylish pattern. See what it looks like from the front side and what it looks like from the back side. I think it is wonderful pattern. So this is only 6 rows repeat pattern, and in order to knit this pattern you need to cast on multiples of 6 plus 4 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch, multiples of 4, multiples of 6 plus 4 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's see how to knit this pattern. Friends, I cast on 18 stitches on my knitting needles for a sample, that is 2 repeats here, and you cast on as many repeats as you need. So enjoy watching. So this is our right side, row 1 right side, we slip edge stitch and we purl 4, purl 4 and knit 2. That's it. This is our repeat pattern. We repeat it until the end of the row. Again purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and knit 2. This is our second repeat, and for this 4 extra stitch we purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We purl 4 and knit 1. So this is our row 1. Now we knit row 2. Row 2 we knit as we see. We slip edge stitch and we knit 4. We knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and purl 2, 1, 2. Again we repeat, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, we knit 4 and purl 2, 1, 2. and for last 4 stitches we need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and for edge stitch. So row 2 is complete. Now we need row 3. Row 3 we need as row 1. So we slip edge stitch and we purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and we need 2. 1, 2. Again we repeat purl 4. And knit 2. 1, 2. We knit last 4 stitch, purl. 1, 2, 3, 4 and we knit edge stitch. So this is our row, third row, and now we knit row 4. Row 4 we knit as row 2. So we knit according to the pattern. We slip edge stitch and we knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and we purl 2. 1, 2. Again we knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We knit 4 and purl 2. Purl 2. 1, 2 and we knit last 4 stitch plain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and we purl edge stitch. So row 4 is complete. Now we knit row 5 and row 5 we slip edge stitch. In the beginning we purl 3 and we knit 2 together. This purl stitch and this knit stitch we knit 2 together like this. And now we make yarn over, knitwise. We make yarn over 2 times and we knit these 2 stitches together. We turn this knit stitch and we knit 2 together like this. Now again we purl 2 and we knit these 2 stitches together like this and we make yarn over 2 times. 1, 2 and we knit these 2 stitches together through back loop. And we purl 3. 1, 2, 3. Purl 3 and knit 1. So row 5 is complete, and now we knit row 6. So row 6, so row 6 we slip edge stitch, we knit 4, sorry, and then we pour 2. We pour this yarn over like this 1, and to the we pour to the front side this way, we pour 2 like this, and again we knit 4, and we pour 2. We pour inward the yarn, and we pour from the outside this way, knit 4 and pour 2. Now we knit again 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pour edge stitch. We complete row 6, and that's all. This is our one repeat. Now if you want, you repeat this 1 to 6 row over and over again according to your desired length, and after several repeats your pattern will look like this. So as you can see, this is very elegant pattern, this is very embossed pattern. So I hope you like the pattern, and if you like this pattern, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.